Hi traders, welcome to Kajane Trade and Trade. Today's video is about Banknifty review dated 28th July 21. CPR is an indicator to identify key price points to set up intraday trade. What are the key price points we will see in today's chart? This is S1 trend line. This is S2 trend line. CPR has given S1 and S2 trend line and previous day low. These are all the key price indicators for today's chart. See, candle opened here, break out the previous day low and broken the S1 levels and S2 levels also. See how powerful CPR it has given all these important price levels for today's trading. This price has broken here and trended towards the downtrend. This is because yesterday CPR was a narrow CPR. Because of yesterday narrow CPR, it was a trending day. When CPR forms as a narrow CPR, the effect will be carried over to next day also in the same direction. This is the effect of yesterday's CPR. So today it is a trending day towards the downtrend up to here. Now you will see what are all the today's important factors of the CPR. Today is wide CPR, little wide CPR, about 100 points are there. It gives sideways, it indicates it is a sideways market. Then the second characteristic of today's CPR is it's an outside value CPR. Please check my 2 days relationship videos to learn about outside value, inside value relationship. 2 days relationship separate videos has been published. Outside value, it indicates it is a sideways market. One is sideways market, second is sideways market. Then we will see the opening candle. Opening candle is below the CPR and above the S1. It indicates it is a bearish market. One is sideways market and another says it is a bearish. Club together, it is bearish to sideways market. Bearish to sideways market. Bearish to sideways market. This is the power of CPR. It gives a direction to a trader to set up their trading setups. Non-directional traders non-directional traders, they can take from here to up to here. It is a non-directional trade. For directional traders, it is a bearish view from here to here. Both directional and non-directional has got an opportunity to trade in today's market. MACD, how beautifully it was showing bearish, and then it has given a bullish crossover in the bearish market. Bullish crossover in the bearish market means it is a very weak crossover. That's why it is like a sideways market. The range between two lines are very less. So bearish to sideways market. See, RSI also bearish to sideways market. Learn these simple tricks to keep your trading as simple as possible. We are conducting 2 days workshop on Saturdays and Sunday to learn and earn. My contact number is 96866 85157. Thank you.